It is given in the combination of following gates, the output Y can be written in terms of input A and B as. So we have to find the output in terms of A and B. So first we will see that here the A is passed through the AND gate, and here it is B is passed to the NOR gate, that is this is and this is NOR gate, this is NOR gate. So we have to tell the output in this question, that what will be the output. So here A is passed, then here B is passed, then from here the B is passed and the A is also passed. First A is passed to the NOR gate, then the output of that A and B, that is passed to AND gate. Then from this output and this output, this is passed finally to XOR gate. This is XOR. And finally the Y output has come. So we can see from here that the correct option will be A dot B dash plus A slash dot B. So it will be fourth. So fourth option is correct.